Yo, what's up, muli bwanje dzina langa ndi TT ndimankhala kuno ku USA koma ndimachokera ku Botswana. Lero nyimbo I'm going to listen to is one of my favorite. I told you guys I'm going to be reacting to my favorite songs, so this one is one of my favorites. So let's get to it, man. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. We are reacting to Saint Riela's Delilah. That's one of my favorite songs of his. It was like 8, 10, 12 years old song. So yeah, you are in for a ride. Good stuff, you know what I mean? So
Delilah, realist. Tima notako kama sekelela, tima utako kama ndiyankula, tima sotako kandiyangana, tima fahedi, timi yendo tako ukaponya step, kambina kako nkuma kwedezela, tima njatako tikandi ikudza.
I think to appreciate artists today, like if you see Saint Riela's music today, you can see the maturity, you can see the experience, man. And I think you really can appreciate his today's music if you can watch his music from back then. So I think that's why I appreciate his music that he releases now, because I know like it's been growing, you know what I mean? So yeah, I just had to say that. Big up to Saint Riela's, man. Please go check out his YouTube pages. Very beautiful music that he's putting out. He hasn't made any videos in 5 months. He's stuck in his YouTube page. So I think I also like the backup singer. I don't know who that is, but the vocals of the backup singer also, you know what I mean? Like, if you're not a singer, you should consider.
Chifukwa chaiwe abaleni hanzanga nkuzadana chifukwa chaiwe mwina zandika pampeni kwa dani yanga nena zeni iwe siwoyenda ngatenawa so zanditengela matenda nkunditawa ine ndi mapempela kodi nkubwela kwako sintasochela.
I'm trying to understand what it's saying. I do understand a little bit of Chichewa, but here, I think I said this. I have reacted to this song before, by the way, hence it's my favorite. So let me know what he is saying on the song if you can. And yeah, you guys have been teaching me Chichewa. One day I'll be able to just react to the entire video. Dima, yeah, in Chichewa.
Kapena mwina nchito nkuzata kapena mwina nzambe nekupita kumandanta kusihandiana unene koduta wasamala suzandijela chuma changa suzawazuza balehanga iwe nkundipeleka kwa dani ngati Delilah suzandijela chuma changa suzawazuza balehanga iwe nkundipeleka kwa dani ngati Delilah unene tiwe Delilah unene tiwe Delilah sinfuna kudalila ngati Samisoni, ngati Samisoni. Anse Delilah, sindikukayikilani, koma ngati Samisoni, sinfuna kutalila.
Obviously, I'm familiar with the story of Delilah and Samson from the Bible. So yeah, I think he's saying that, like, you know, I don't know. Yeah, let me know, please. I'm interested. I want to know what he is saying for real. I don't want to make Unaine. I feel like that part he's saying, "You are with me." Yo, beautiful one, man. Saint Realist. Please go check out his YouTube page, like I said, Facebook, whatever, wherever you can support. You guys from Malawi, you should be supporting these guys, man. I feel like these guys should be getting more audience from you guys. You know what I mean? Same as every other artist in Africa. I feel like we don't support our artists as much. I don't know. But yeah, Zikom Compiri for your support. I am definitely going to be reacting to another song from Malawi after this one. So if you want to see that, let's go.